Hello and welcome. Here we are going to discuss what is Python programming language. Python is a high-level programming language that's easy to learn and has a simple syntax. It is used by big companies like Google, NASA and Spotify to create amazing products. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Python is a fantastic language to learn. Python is widely used for web development, data analysis, machine learning and much more. It was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s and officially released in 1991. Now, why you should learn Python? First, Python is known for its simple and readable syntax, which means you can focus on solving problems rather than remembering complex rules. Python is also incredibly versatile, plus, there is a massive community and tons of libraries that make it even easier to build powerful projects. One of Python's key features is its readability and clean syntax, which means you can spend more time focusing on solving problems instead of dealing with complex syntax. Additionally, it comes with a large library of pre-built tools, making it easier to build programs quickly. Python uses an indentation to structure code, making it visually cleaner. There is no need for semicolons or curly braces. Also, variables in Python don't require explicit type declaration, making it more flexible and user-friendly. As you can see in this code example, defining a function is simple and calling it with a name prints a greeting. Python's syntax is spontaneous and you don't need to worry about complex setup. Python is incredibly versatile. It powers everything from websites to machine learning models. Frameworks like Django and Flask make web development fast and efficient. Libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow are popular in data science and AI. Python's ecosystem includes some powerful libraries that cater to different needs. For instance, NumPy is great for handling numerical data, while Pandas is perfect for analyzing large data sets. If you are into machine learning, TensorFlow has you covered. Python's design philosophy emphasizes simplicity and readability, making it an ideal language for beginners. There is a massive community of developers, so resources, tutorials, and forums are just a click away. Python has become the go-to language for data science because of its extensive libraries and tools, with pandas of data manipulation and matplotlib for visualization. It's a complete package for data analysis. Python excels in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Libraries like ScienceKit Learn make implementing machine learning algorithms straightforward, while TensorFlow is used for more advanced tasks like deep learning. Web development is another area where Python shines. Django and Flask are two widely used frameworks that enable rapid development of web applications. They come with built-in tools that streamline many common tasks. One of Python's best uses is automation. If you have tasks that are repetitive or time-consuming, Python can help by automating them. For example, you can use Python to scrap data from websites or automate file handling. In conclusion, Python is an incredibly versatile and accessible language. Whether you are building a website, analyzing data, or exploring machine learning, Python has the tools to help. As the language continues to evolve, its future looks promising. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more lessons as we dive deeper into the world of programming.